to drift into stillness. My name is James Rivers. Before we depart on our journey tonight, if these quiet escapes bring you peace, please leave a comment and follow this channel, Drift into Stillness. Your ticket is already punched, and your seat is reserved. Tonight, we're doing something very profound. We are surrendering control. We are stepping onto a timeless, beautiful machine, designed to carry us safely forward through the night, while we do absolutely nothing at all. Imagine you're standing on a dimly lit, completely empty railway platform. It is exactly midnight. The air is cool, and a soft, gentle spring rain has just begun to fall, creating a shimmering, dark mirror on the cobblestones of the platform. The smell of the wet stone and the cool night air clears your mind instantly. Waiting patiently for you on the tracks is a magnificent, classic sleeper train. Its long, dark green and gold carriages gleam quietly under the warm, amber glow of the platform lights. It looks heavy. It looks solid. It looks incredibly safe. You walk toward the open door of your carriage. You step up and leave the platform behind. You walk down a narrow, beautifully carpeted corridor. Your footsteps are completely muffled by the thick wool runner. The air in here smells of rich, polished teak wood, of old leather, and of absolute tranquility. You find the door to your private cabin. You slide the heavy wooden door open, step inside, and slide it shut behind you. You hear the solid click of the brass lock engaging. You have just locked the entire world out. As soon as you stand in the center of your cabin, you feel a subtle, powerful shift. A deep, resonant hum begins to vibrate beneath your feet. Slowly, incredibly smoothly, the massive train begins to move forward. Look around your private sanctuary. It is a cocoon of polished brass, dark mahogany, and soft, deep green velvet. A small, amber reading lamp glows warmly on the bedside table, casting a soft circle of light. Next to it is your bed. It looks impossibly inviting, made with thick, plush mattresses, heavy duvets, and crisp, white cotton sheets that have been folded down, waiting perfectly just for you. Take off your shoes. Lie down on the bed. Pull the heavy duvet up over your shoulders and let your head sink deeply into the feather pillows. As the train slowly picks up speed, leaving the city limits behind, the true rhythm of the night establishes itself. Clack, 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 clack. It is the most hypnotic, grounding sound in the world. And outside the thick, double-paned window, the soft rain continues to fall, tapping a gentle, chaotic rhythm against the glass that blends perfectly with the steady heartbeat of the tracks. Lie back, close your eyes, and truly feel the profound magic of this specific journey. For so much of your life, you have been the one steering. You have been the driver. You have been the one making the decisions, navigating the bumps in the road, constantly checking the mirrors, making sure everyone else is safe and on track. But tonight, right now, you are just a passenger. You have handed over the controls completely. The heavy steel tracks are securely laid out before you. The destination is already set. There is literally nothing you can do right now to make this train go faster or slower. You are beautifully, perfectly, blissfully helpless. Let the sheer, overwhelming relief of that realization wash over your entire body like a wave of warm water. Let your feet completely relax into the rhythm of the rails. Let your toes fall outward. Feel the gentle, side-to-side swaying motion of the train carriage. It is rocking you, just as a mother rocks a child. Let that gentle rocking motion travel up into your calves and your knees. Your joints have carried you through so many long days. Let them become heavy now. Let them sink into the mattress. Every slight rock of the carriage massages the tension right out of the deep muscles of your thighs. Let the relaxation move up into your hips and your lower back. You do not need to hold your spine perfectly rigid anymore. Every time the train gently leans into a long, slow curve in the darkness, let your spine soften and lean with it. Let your lower back spread out wide against the sheets. The train is moving through an unseen, sleeping landscape. Outside your window, dark forests are passing by. Quiet, empty valleys. Silver rivers reflecting the moonlight. Small towns where everyone is already asleep, safe in their homes. You are moving safely through their dreams. Let your shoulders melt completely into the mattress. Drop the invisible luggage you have been carrying all day. Let it fall onto the floor of the cabin. You don't need it on this train. Release your hands. Uncurl your fingers, one by one. Let your palms rest open, facing upward. There is no steering wheel to hold tonight. There is nothing you need to grasp, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to manage. Your hands are completely free. Release your jaw. Let a tiny space form between your teeth. Smooth out the space between your eyebrows. Let the muscles of your face soften until your expression is entirely neutral, entirely at peace. Listen to the rain on the window. Listen to the magnificent, polished wood of your cabin flexing softly as you glide through the night. You are moving forward through time and space, completely protected, miles away from any demands, any emails, any responsibilities. Let your own heartbeat synchronize with the turning of the heavy iron wheels. Clack, clack. Clack, clack. Slow, steady, relentless progress. You are safe. You are held. You are moving exactly as you should be. I am going to count down from 10. With every number, the train carries you further and further away from your waking life, deep into the heart of the night. 10. Surrendering control completely to the journey. 9. The heavy, grounding rhythm of the rails. 8. The soft, chaotic patter of the rain against the thick glass. 7. Your body is sinking, heavy and relaxed, into the plush mattress. 6. No steering wheel to hold, nothing to fix. 5. The cabin is warm, the light is soft. 4. Passing through sleeping towns, moving silently through the dark. 3. Your mind is emptying out, washed clean by the rhythm. 2. Deeply, perfectly, completely relaxed. 1. Sleep, Let the journey take you. You are safe on the midnight train. Sleep, sleep. Good night.